Welcome to our deep dive into the 2025 Tata Indica, a legendary hatchback reborn for the modern era. In this video, we'll break down all the main components of this car, their function, and the estimated prices, giving you a clear idea of what the 2025 Indica offers under the hood and on the road. Let's start with the engine, at the heart of any vehicle. The 2025 Indica comes with a 1.2-litre e-Vitron petrol engine, producing around 86 PS of power and 113 Newton-meters of torque. It's tuned for city efficiency and comfort driving. Tata has also hinted at a CNG and F variant coming later in the year. The engine alone is priced at approximately a superscript 1.2 to a superscript 1.4 lakhs if purchased separately. Next, we look at the transmission system. The base variant comes with a 5-speed manual transmission, while higher trims may offer an AMT option. The gearbox assembly costs around a superscript 140,000 to a superscript 155,000 depending on the variant. It's designed for smooth shifting and better mileage in urban conditions. Now on to the suspension system. The Indica features a McPherson strut with coil spring in the front and a semi-independent twist beam with dual-path strut in the rear. This setup balances comfort and handling, especially on Indian roads. Front and rear suspension systems together may cost around a superscript 130,000 to a superscript 140,000 if replaced. Let's talk about the braking system. The new Indica is equipped with front disc brakes and rear drum brakes, combined with ABS and EBD for improved safety. Brake pad replacement costs range from a superscript 11,500 to a superscript 12,500 for front wheels and around a superscript 11,000 for rear drums. The ABS module itself costs roughly a superscript 118,000 to a superscript 125,000. Moving to the electrical components, the 2025 Indica features a fully digital instrument cluster, touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and electrically adjustable ORVMs. The infotainment system alone is priced around a superscript 120,000 to a superscript 125,000, while the full dashboard electronics including sensors and cluster can run up to a superscript 135,000. Let's explore the lighting system. It uses halogen headlights as standard, with LED DRLs in the higher trims. Tail lamps are LED. A complete headlight assembly can cost around a superscript 14,500 each, while tail light units are about a superscript 13,000 per side. Fog lamps, where available, are an extra a superscript 13,000. Next is the fuel system. The petrol version uses an electronic fuel injection system. The fuel pump costs around a superscript 17,000 to a superscript 110,000, and the fuel injector kit is about a superscript 18,000 to a superscript 112,000. The 35-litre fuel tank itself can be replaced for around a superscript 112,000. The body and chassis of the 2025 Indica have been slightly redesigned for better aerodynamics and crash safety. Tata has reinforced the side impact beams and crumple zones. A full door assembly costs about a superscript 118,000 to a superscript 120,000, while a front bumper goes for a superscript 14,000 to a superscript 15,000. Wheels and tires are another key area. The standard model comes with 14-inch steel rims, while top variants get 14-inch alloy wheels. Each alloy wheel is around a superscript 16,000, and a good quality tire like MRF or Apollo costs between a superscript 13,500 to a superscript 14,500 per piece. Inside, the Indica is surprisingly feature-rich. Dual-tone interior finish, power windows, central locking, and a multifunction steering wheel are standard in most trims. The vac unit costs around a superscript 115,000, and the entire seat upholstery kit is priced between a superscript 112,000 to a superscript 120,000 depending on material. Safety features include dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and an optional rear view camera. The airbag system alone costs roughly a superscript 125,000 to a superscript 135,000. The rear camera and sensor kit can be had for around a superscript 17,000. Now let's quickly cover the battery and alternator. The standard battery is a 12 volts, 45Ah unit costing about a superscript 14,000 to a superscript 15,500. The alternator is priced around a superscript 19,000. These components are vital for the car's electrical ecosystem. The cooling system includes a radiator, fan motor, and coolant reservoir. The radiator alone is about a superscript 16,000, while the full cooling assembly may cost up to a superscript 115,000. It ensures the engine stays within optimal temperature range during all driving conditions. Finally, the exhaust and emission system. Tata complies with BS6 Phase 2 norms, including a catalytic converter that costs around a superscript 112,000 and a silencer assembly priced at a superscript 17,000. These parts help keep emissions low and performance consistent. In terms of overall pricing, the estimated ex-showroom price of the 2025 Tata Indica starts at around a superscript 15.2 lakhs and goes up to a superscript 17.8 lakhs depending on the variant. Spare part prices can vary slightly based on region and availability. That wraps up our breakdown of the 2025 Tata Indica, a solid return of an iconic Indian hatchback with a focus on affordability, practicality, and modern features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth automotive content.